You're welcome, it's your Akahilz. We're live on Coinmarketcap exclusive crypto airdrops. So they're currently looking at the overview of ongoing airdrops, upcoming and ended airdrops, guys. So this is just a quick overview of what we currently have for week. This is the last week of March 2022. So this is apparently week 4 or 5, week 4 to stroke 5. So we have Bit Hotel, it's currently on. We've dropped a video on that, and a feature coin tutorial video on that, as well as Zamio. We have Shiba Friend, Space Misfits. So these are projects. You can see the number of users that have participated already. Then the one for Bit Hotel participants is going to be ending about 2 days. Guys, if you participated in any of these projects, make sure to keep an eye on the project team. Winners are meant to be called upon very soon. It's usually, some of them are usually 7 days as of a goal. So you want to check out for giving a giveaway very soon, so you want to be part of the family once the giveaway starts. Let's see how it goes, guys. Peace out.